Are you filming now?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, I'll just start.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Depop tips and tricks, how to grow your account faster and generally have a better aesthetic on your account. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so my first tip is to get good quality photos. I'd recommend using a camera if you have one. If not, your phone camera will do fine. The main part about selling on Depop is having good, clear pictures. Are you filming again?
No, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you were going to say a word, weren't you?
What? Start filming?
Stop. You
Oh,
were going to say...
platypus.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next tip that I have is to use a plain background. These work really well for Depop because it showcases the item itself. If you have too much of a busy background, it's going to take away... What's the word? Oh, it's going to take away focus from the item itself. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some quick photo tips. Here I've got a pair of shoes that I'm just going to show you guys how I photograph these. So obviously I've got a plain background here for the shoes to go again so that there's nothing distracting away from them. Good, you're getting the hang of it. Also, I've got my camera here, so I use my camera manual, so I'm just going to quickly set that up before I take the photos.
Yeah.
Okay, now I've set up my camera, I'm going to start taking the photos. So obviously, because the shoes are down low, I'm going to get down here and take the photos because it's better to have them from a level angle. Into the shoes?
Yeah, I've got those shoes, yeah.
No, are they in?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So you can see with the shoes, I've put one this way and one that way for the first photo. This just shows the front and the side all in one photo. So you'd use that for your first photo that you put in of the item so that people can see basically the full circumference of the shoe. Some other photo angles would be this, that, and maybe the back, and then any other imperfections, or if you've got any scratches on it, take pictures of those because people won't like it if their item comes and you haven't informed them about any of that. Yeah, I am going to take a few photos so that I can insert them and like show what it looks like. Okay, so the next tip is to have good lighting. So obviously I'm out here in the natural light. Using natural light is really good, but if you can't do that, alternatively using any studio lights you have if you have them, or you can even use your phone torch up close or a normal torch just to get like a bit of better lighting and a spotlight on the item. Also, if your items come out a bit yellowy or a bit bluey because of the lighting, you can use color balance to show the true color of the item, which is just going to make it look more aesthetic, and also no one's going to be disappointed when that item comes and it's slightly off color. Okay, so my next tip is to whatever items you're selling, put them in outfits together. Whether you're selling the other items or not, that doesn't really matter, but you want to show the item in an outfit, especially if you've got like an item on the plainer side or you don't think it's that aesthetic. Putting it in an outfit can show people how it can be worn and make people maybe more likely to buy it. Okay, so I've put the shoes on now. This just is an example of how you can put them together in an outfit. So obviously I'm wearing a pink top and there's pink on the shoes. That just shows a bit of colour coordination. It brings the outfit together, and it also shows how the shoes can be worn in an outfit, which will help people figure out what it would look like on them. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Wait, does my hair, has it come out a bit here? Or not?
No.
Okay. So the next tip is similar to the last one, but that's showing the clothing on if you are selling clothing. This will help people see how it fits your body type. Whether it, no, you don't have to stop filming.
Yeah.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, whether it's your size or not, this will just show how it fits on your body type and help people gauge how it might fit on them as well. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, also this helps a lot with like trousers and skirts because people often want to know how far it's going to come down to them, if it's going to be knee length, mini skirt, you know, if trousers are going to be too short for their legs. So showing them on you and then saying how tall you are can help people decide whether that is right for them or not. Also, I get quite apprehensive about buying items if I haven't seen them modelled on someone, especially if I can't see how they fit or the length on trousers. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I model for my Depop pictures. So I get my granddad to take the pictures, and I'm just going to show you how I stand, all of that. Right, so my next point is to use keywords. Basically, this is use every description word that could possibly describe your item. So say I'm modelling like a floral skirt, I'd say, and it's purple, I'd say paisley, floral, purple, lilac skirt, label all the colours, say how far it comes down, any styles that it fits, if it's 90 styles, if it's Mary-Kate and Ashley, if it's Y2K, and let them know like what it is about, because then it's gonna show up on more keyword searches and more people are gonna see that item. Okay, so this is my most important tip. I'm going to share with you some secret hashtags that not many Depop sellers know about. The hashtags that I like to use are Depop, Depop seller, Depop shop and Depop brand. These are some of the top trending hashtags on Depop. If you search that up online, they should come up. And then also there's some secret hashtags that not many people know about. I managed to find these out, and so I'm going to share them with you guys because these will really help grow your shop. So the first one is vintage Depop, the next one is Depop famous, and the last one is so fucking Depop. So I didn't pick these, but I don't know why. So yeah, whenever I use these secret 3 hashtags on my items, they get seen by get a lot more likes than any of my other items. So that's a really good secret trick for you guys. Right, so the 8th tip that I have for you guys is to repost your items daily. This puts them at the top of any search for any keywords or hashtags that you've put on the item, so it will put them at the top every time that you repost. I'll put a screen recording on my phone showing you guys how to do this if you're not sure, but it's really simple. Okay, so this is my Depop shop. I'm just going to go down and click on this item and click edit. Then you just scroll down and you simply just have to edit any part of your description or anything to do with the item, repost it, and it's back up at the top, and that will show up at the top for all search results. So as you can see, all of the keywords for this item, that item when I repost it is going to show up at the top for all of those keywords. So my second to last tip is to use trending hashtags. Yeah, Depop will normally inform you of the trending hashtags if anything's trending when you go onto the app. So some previous examples of trending hashtags are Cyber Monday and nothing new. Okay, wait, keep filming. I need to say that again. Wait, are you still filming?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but just generally keeping up with trends on Depop will help you run your account and see what's new, what type of photography big sellers are doing. Also looking on big sellers accounts like iGirl or any other shops like that is really good because it will help you see what's up and coming on Depop, what people on Depop want to see, and also what the owners of Depop want to see, which could help you get onto the explore page. Okay, so my last point is to check the explore page and see what type of photos are being posted there, what type of accounts, what type of items, because the people that run Depop will put items that are their favourite on the explore page. So if you mimic that style or if you've got items similar, it could help you get onto the explore page, which really helps in growing your account. I know that when I got on the explore page, I got literally 10 times as many likes as I normally would on any item. So yeah, it's really helpful in growing your shop. Okay, so whilst I was editing, I realised that there was another point I could put in. So this one is super simple. It's literally just to reorganise your account. So you can see I've got loads of different backgrounds. So what I'm going to do is edit and repost all of them as sets so that all of the backgrounds come together in the account so it looks more organised. So I left my account unorganised for this so I can show you the difference that it makes. So I'm just getting all of these stair pictures and I'm going to repost all of them so they come together on the account. This just makes your account look more ordered and more aesthetic, so people are probably more likely to browse through your account and look at your other items if they're interested in one item that you were selling. So yeah, just have a look at how that looks at the end. I'm only going to do a few because I don't want this video to be too long of me just organising my account. Okay, and now if we scroll back up to the top, it's nice and organised. That's everything for my 10 Depop hacks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if there's any other Depop related or styling videos you want to know, or just generally any questions you have about starting a Depop account and selling or even buying. Oh wait, let me do that bit again. If you guys want to see any more of my videos or liked this video, then feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.